For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, today it is going to be a special program altogether. Why, you may ask? Well, clearly there are several studies which have been done on how dogs can sniff out COVID-19 patients, and especially the new study coming from Germany where they have said that 8 of the dogs, they were trained to go out and sniff out these COVID-19 patients. Well, probably now a similar project is being taken up in India. And Namma Bengaluru canine expert is going ahead and he's doing the same kind of project. He's taken up this particular project. He's Amrut. Well, Amrut, who's a canine behavior expert from the Unitech College in New Zealand. He's going to be tying up with the DIGP, that is ML Ravindra, principal of DBTS, which would be Dog Breeding and Training Center. So for CRPF, which is one of the biggest canine breeding centers in the world as well. So they'll be taking up this project. So yes, it is a big thing for Bengaluru as well. So firstly, we have Amrut itself joining us on this program. Let's ask him how the dogs can actually sniff out COVID-19. Is it similar to how it was taken up earlier, or is it going to be done in a very different manner? Let's understand from Amrut himself.
Similar to training dogs for narcotic, explosive detection or cancer detection, the same principles of training I, Amrut Dog Guru, would be using to train dogs to identify COVID. Here, we could use the saliva samples or even the masks that have been utilized by COVID patients while training a dog. And it would normally take 60 to 90 days with proper practice, proper handling skills, and good dogs to be successful.
Well, yes, Amrut, you have explained about how you'll be going forward with it. But one important aspect is that how many dogs will you need in particular to go forward and sniff out this particular COVID-19 patient? How many dogs will you require, and what kind of environment will you have to work on to ensure that a proper identification process can be done?
10 dog pilot project, a sample to start with would be the best. So we get a good graph to understand the number of positive alerts the dog has given us, how many false alerts, how many true alerts on a graphology. So probably at the end of 90 days, we would have a good understanding on how better we could upgrade the same. 10 dogs, 90 days is what we would require to prove to the world that yes, we Indians can train dogs to be successful COVID detectors.
Well, all of us already know that asymptomatic patients are the highest in India. So probably to identify asymptomatic patients, is it going to be hard? Because, probably sniffing an art, probably it'll be sensing only the severe cases or the ones who are showing symptoms. So the asymptomatic patients, how will they be detected by these dogs? This is a question which everyone will ask.
Since the dog is going on the odor, the scent, it should not make a difference for the dog to find out or detect COVID from an asymptomatic to a symptomatic patient. It would be easy for them to identify without any symptoms also, because they would only be going on the sample or the scent that is from the COVID patient's saliva, or probably his mask or his breathing skills, or even probably could be a tissue paper that they have sneezed on.
Yes, dogs can do a lot of things, Amrut, but one important factor we have seen recently in US as well, one of the dog contracted COVID-19. Apart from that, even a cat as well, a pet cat contracted COVID-19 because its owner had COVID-19. So probably won't this be putting the dog under the risk of contracting the virus? Don't you think this somewhere will be a hindrance as well, keeping in mind that dogs also can contract COVID-19 from humans?
Earlier, dogs had virus for corona, but corona being a very big ocean and COVID could probably be a part or a strain of the viral family there. Since the research has been on, we do not have a correct picture, but what we have is that dogs who have been tested positive across the globe are asymptomatic and without medications have got back to normal life themselves. We would be doing a routine check for all these dogs if we start a pilot project on training COVID detectors so that we can understand their health aspects as well.
Well, absolutely, Amrut. Many thanks for joining us. Well, clearly, one important factor is that it is a good time for us. It is a good, a proud moment for all of us in Bengaluru, in India in particular, because we will also be training our dogs, or the CRPF dogs will be trained to sniff out COVID-19 patients, much like it was done during the time of cancer. So probably this will work out. We will have to wait and watch one or the other way. We will have to identify patients and they will have to be treated at the earliest to fight COVID-19. Probably herd immunity is one way that we are looking at. But this is another method, rapid antigen tests being done. But at the same time, if we have dogs assisting as well, probably we can go ahead and fight COVID-19 in the near future. Well, if you liked this video, do hit the like button and share, because it is a proud moment for Indians as well. Do subscribe to News9 Digital on all the social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.